In this module, we will talk about aeration and agitation. As we have already discussed briefly about the agitation and the aeration while we are discussing the fermenter design. So here we will discuss the aeration and agitation in detail with respect to the fermentation and the requirement of the oxygen, especially in aerobic fermentations. While discussing the general organization of the fermentation process, you know that we have a brief organization of the fermentation process, starting from the stock culture and then stock culture to the revival of the culture in shake flask, and then that shake flask goes to the seed fermenter just to produce a suitable amount of the inocula that required for a production fermenter. But this fermenter is added with the nutrient and which we called as the industrial medium. So the raw material and the media formulation and then the whole sterilization process. But after the inoculation, you can see here by the blue color that air. So aeration should be given to the fermenter, and you can see the inside of the vessel. These are the different impellers. So the aeration, the supply of air into the fermenter, and then the agitation system, which is mostly, as we know, that consists upon the motor, the shaft and the impellers. Now, you know that we have discussed in detail about the impellers and their role in agitation and aeration. So, but here we will talk about the aeration in another way. Just keep in mind that if the fermentation process is aerobic, most of the cells respire their carbon source during first is glycolysis, then is a Krebs cycle, then electron transport chain. So when any cell require any energy, then they have to respire the glucose-like molecules. By this equation, as you have seen in this slide, that if we just assume that C6H12O6, a simple 1 mole of glucose, that needs 6 mole of oxygen, that gives 6 mole of water and 6 mole of carbon dioxide. So this equation is the simple equation of aerobic respiration. In result of that, we know that 38 ATP molecules are formed. So if we calculate that 1 mole of glucose, and we know that 1 mole of glucose is equal to 180 grams, and then as we know that O2, oxygen, that 1 mole of oxygen, that's equal to 32, and 6 mole of oxygen, that is 192 gram. So for the respiration, for the whole respiration of 1 mole of glucose, that requires 6 mole of oxygen. So in term of quantity, we can say that 180 gram of glucose require 192 gram of oxygen, more than that. So if we say that, if we generally talk about the solubility of the glucose and the oxygen, because we know that oxygen has to first go into the soluble form into the medium, and then that has to utilized by the organism. So as compare the solubility of the glucose and the oxygen, you can see here that the solubility of the oxygen is 6,000 times less than the glucose in a water. So the solubility of the oxygen is very much less than the glucose. So a fermentation medium saturated with the oxygen that can only maximum contain 7.6 milligram per liter of the medium at about 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of the medium and the type of the medium is very much effective in the retaining power of the medium of the total oxygen. So as you see here, that 7.6 milligram per liter of the medium, and you know in our previous slide that 180 gram of glucose require 192 gram of that. So we can say that the microbial cultures in such conditions cannot meet the full demand of the oxygen for a microbial culture. So the microbial culture must be supplied with the oxygen during the growth, during the fermentation period. Because when there is the fermentation process will carry out, then to meet the demand of the organism, we have to supply the oxygen, either by supplying the air or by supplying the pure oxygen. So you can see that the demand of the oxygen in any industrial fermentation can be met through the aeration and agitation. So in the later modules we will talk about again the significance of the aeration and the agitation and how the oxygen is needed and supplied to the destination where that is needed.